Hey, fellow creators! Are you aware that Canva has recently rolled out a revamped interface, significantly enhancing user experience compared to its previous version? Today, we'll delve into the Canva dashboard, juxtaposing the old layout with the updated one. If you've ever found yourself perplexed or daunted by these changes, fret not. I'm here to guide you through. Let's start by revisiting the old dashboard. As you can see, it had a more traditional layout with tabs along the top for different types of designs, like presentations, social media graphics, and documents. It was functional, but it lacked the intuitive organization we've come to expect from modern design tools. Additionally, you'll notice a Create a Design tab located at the top right corner, allowing users to initiate new projects directly from the dashboard. Now, let's switch gears and take a look at the new dashboard. Wow, what a difference! Canva has completely revamped the interface, making it more user-friendly and visually appealing. Instead of tabs, we now have a sleek sidebar menu that neatly categorizes our design options. Plus, there's a handy search bar at the top for quickly finding specific templates or elements. Now let's explore Canva dashboard in detail. Create a Design is the first option in the side menu. You will work with a variety of design templates here, such as Instagram, presentation, flyer, and more. You also can make designs in custom sizes and upload them. Next comes the Project tab in side menu bar. You can create your project here by category, and your recent projects will also appear here. You can transfer each design into its own folder. There is nothing to show because our account is new. As you can see, these are Canva's pre-made folders. If you wish to make a new folder, you can do so from here. The next option on the sidebar is Templates. This option includes a number of templates from which you may choose and design with minimal effort. You can use the search menu to find any template. You also have categories in the top and side menus. In the side menu, you can see that there are many template categories. For example, if I click on Social Media Templates, it shows me all of the social media templates, such as Instagram templates, Facebook templates, and many more. Similarly, you have a number of templates from which to choose and begin working. The next options are Brand and Apps, which I will go through in depth later. After that, you have the option to create a team. If you work in a group, you can create a team by providing an invitation link. Finally, the last option on the side menu is Trash. Any design you delete will go to trash. And if you want to permanently remove any design from Canva, you must delete it from this trash folder. Then, on the dashboard, you have a shortcut tab that you can use to create designs. After that, you have this search bar option, which you can use to search for any templates or designs. If you scroll down, you'll find this Recent Design tab. All of your recent designs will appear here, and whatever you design will appear here as well. Then, on the right side of the dashboard, you'll notice more options. The first option is to download the software. If you want to work offline, you may download the Canva app for Windows, as well as the Android and iOS apps. The next option is a setting. After clicking on Settings, you'll notice the top menu becomes available here. Let's delve into this in detail. The first option on the top menu is Design Spotlight, which is a feature or a section. That emphasizes specific design templates, themes, or content that Canva provides us to work with. Here, you can see that there are various categories, and inside each category, there are several subcategories which we can use and begin working on. There's a lot to choose from, and there's something for everyone. For example, if I want to design business cards, I will click here. You can design a business card from scratch, or if you scroll down a little, you will see several business card templates that you can use directly to make your design. You have Business as the next option on the top menu. This option is intended to assist corporations or industry professionals who work in large groups. There are categories here: Business Solution, which has a variety of design options, such as marketing, creatives, sales agencies, and more. Then you have the next category, which consists of a variety of subcategories, including as content creation, brand management, team management, and more. Then you have a resource category for learning, where you can read articles and gain the necessary knowledge. The next option in the top menu is Education. This menu is specifically made for teachers and students. If you are a teacher or a student, you can choose any of these options. Canva offers discounts and other benefits to teachers and students. To get the offer, you have to verify that you are a student, are a teacher or a student, or you must contact the Canva team. After that, the next option on the top menu is Plan and Pricing. Canva has 3 plans: Free, Pro, and Team, each with its unique set of advantages. Learn is the last option in the top menu. This option in the top menu is a collection of tools meant to help you learn how to use Canva and create outstanding designs. There are numerous resources available for learning and improving your skills, including Canva blogs and video tutorials. After that, you can upload a profile photo and make changes to your name and email address in the setting. You can change the category of your Canva. You have the option of changing your language. Then there's the theme option, where you switch between light and dark themes. The setting provides several options. You change password under login and security. You can also delete your account if you want from here. Then there is the notification bell, where all of your notifications will be received. Here, the final option is Custom Size, which we just mentioned. It is a shortcut tab for making custom designs and uploading files. And there you have it, the complete updated Canva dashboard tour. The new Canva dashboard is a game changer for creators everywhere. By streamlining the design process and improving usability, Canva is empowering users to unleash their creativity like never before.